Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we have the GENMAX 2000 watt generator. This generator puts out 2000 watts starting, 1800 running. Okay, it is a silent, compact generator. This is the lightest 2000 watt generator in its class. Okay, I'm going to open the box, show you guys what's inside. Okay guys, we got the user manual right here. The funnel so you could change your oil and add oil. You have your little screwdriver and spark plug tool. Really nice packing. Styrofoam on top. Okay, let's get the generator out of the box and we can take a closer look at it. Okay guys, we got the GENMAX out of the box. As you can see, this is the side with the recoil starter. This generator, 2000 watts starting, 1800 watts running. It does have CO monitor. That's a carbon monoxide detector. If you put this generator inside the garage or something, it will shut itself off, okay? Protecting the user. Please guys, run your generator outside. Your gas cap. You have your vent on top. This is off, on. So you have it in the off position when you store it, on position when you run it. Okay, like I said, recoil starter side. Let's turn this around. This is the side where you would check your oil. And like all the GENMAX, you have this awesome port right here, little oil door, so you don't have to take your whole cover off if you don't want to. You just want to check your oil. That's one thing I like about this brand. They always give you access doors and sound dampening. This is where you would check your oil. Okay, let's do that right now. Let's go ahead and add the oil. Okay, so this is the funnel. You just screw that on. It helps you not make a mess. And especially when it comes to changing the oil on this generator, you can just put that in, which I will be showing you guys later on. And you just tilt it to change your oil. But let's get some oil. It does not come with oil, so you do have to add your own oil. I recommend using 1030. That's what the manual says. Let's get some oil in there. Okay guys, so we got our oil in here. We can put our door back on. Okay, so we got the side cover. Let's all the screws out. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Yeah. Okay, as you see, more sound dampening. This is GENMAX brand new engine. Okay, that's what makes it one of the lightest 2000 watt generators you can buy. If you're looking for a generator you want to carry around, camping, in your RV, put it in the back of your truck, picking it up, especially someone that can't pick up a big generator, this generator, I'm going to wait for you guys to see. And I'm going to wait against some other 2000 watt generators. I want you to see the difference. You have your spark plug access on top right here. Okay. Pops that right back in. You have the backside. All this hot air coming out, keeping the generator cool. Spark arrestor. Now let's turn it to the front. Let's get a closer look at the front side of the GENMAX. Okay, first thing I want you guys to realize. See this right here? Engine off, on. At the same time, you have a fuel switch. What does that mean? It means you can shut off your fuel, keep your engine on. The generator will run out of fuel from the carburetor before you store it. All right? Carbon monoxide detector right here. CO alarm. Low oil. Overload light. Output indicator. So that's your green light. Everything's okay. Ready to run. Eco mode. Switch. Manual choke. Your breaker for your plugs. As you can see from the 1000 watt, 2000, all of them comes with this cover. This is an upgrade that you get with all the GenMax. They all have the cover for the plugs. Okay? You're not paying extra for this. Most of the other generators don't give you this. Breaker, AC reset, ground, and parallel capable. So you could run two of these together. So you can get 4,000 watt. Guys, you get two USB plugs, 1 amp and a 2.1 amp with the cover. All right, everything has the cover. Every possible way water can get in here, you have protective cover. So this is something you want to take camping. Get some rain on it, you don't have anything to worry about. Here's your wide inlet. That's where the cold air comes in to get to everything else. Keep that generator real cool. Okay, let's get some gas in this thing. Let's fire it up. Let's do a dB test on it. Let's see how quiet it is. But before we do the gas, remember I said I want to wait. So let's do that right now. Okay, guys, we got the GenMax down. We got oil in there, no gas. We're going to do a wait. We're going to weigh this generator and see what it comes up to. I got my scale right here. We got the generator right at 35 pounds with oil in it. Okay? 35 pounds with oil. I'm going to get some gas in this generator. We're going to do a quick dB test and see what it sounds like. Okay, guys, we got the gas. Remember, once you start your generator, switch this to the on position. Okay, once you get your gas in, your red switch will go to on. Turn your fuel to the on position. Eco mode off. Choke out. That should be your sequence for starting this generator. Okay, guys, we got the generator in eco mode right now. We're going to start our first dB test. Let's get back 23 feet. Okay, I'm going to say right about 51. Let's get eco mode off. Okay, guys, we're off eco mode. Let's go ahead and do a dB test. I'm going to say about 53.2 off eco mode. Really quiet generator. I think that has a lot to do with the padding and the fact that the engine has an engine cover. Okay, guys, so GenMax claims that it has the lightest generator in its class. And I'm going to test that, okay? Every one of these generators have no gas, but they're all filled with oil, okay? We're going to see which one's the lightest. I have the GenMax, Honda, Furman, Champion, Predator, the WAN, and the Built Hard. Every one of these are 2,000 watt. Every one of them is exactly 2,000 watt starting. All right, let's weigh them. Let's start with the GenMax. You have 35 pounds. GenMax, 35 pounds. The Honda 2000. 47.6. Furman 2000. 46.8. Champion 2000. $40.4. Predator 2000. $49 even. The WAN 2001. $49 even. Built Hard 2000. $40.4. Okay, guys, so it seems like GenMax did claim they had the lightest generator, and these are some of the most popular generators. I guess they're right. They are right at 35 pounds. Everybody else was 40, 40.4, and all the way up to 49. Okay, we're gonna run a fuel efficiency test, load test, and all that coming up with all these 2000 watt generator. So guys, if you're in the market for a 2000 watt generator, please stay tuned. I'm going to be testing this group right here. I've done some testing on some other ones, the Honda, the Furman, the Predator. We do have some newcomers, this 4. We're going to be testing them, okay? Stay tuned.